Experience the power. Experience the control. Experience the serviceability. Experience the versatility. Experience Fecon. From Fecon comes a new generation of track carrier, designed to bring you the ultimate experience and versatility over a variety of applications. It's our FTX128 track carrier. This all-terrain versatile carrier comes with so many custom features and performance enhancements that you'll feel like you've stepped behind the wheel of a high-performance vehicle. The first thing you'll need to know about the 128 is that it offers the best-in-class power with up to 60 gallon per minute, 4,600 PSI high flow, and a dedicated low flow of 26 gallon per minute, 3,000 PSI, allowing the FTX128 to utilize a wide range of attachments. The FTX128 features Fecon's proprietary power management, which balances power between attachments, tracks, and engine to establish peak position, along with optimum performance, best fuel economy, and cooler operation.
The Fecon FTX128 tractor has what Fecon calls power management, and this is Fecon's intellectual programming and controls that marry the engine performance and the hydraulic performance of the tractor all together.
Basically, it takes the attachment, and if the attachment is demanding more horsepower than the engine can supply, it pulls demand off of that attachment. So the operator doesn't have to do that. It's a flawless operation for the operator.
When these power management features are coupled with one of our available bullhog models, operators maximize tree and brush cutting productivity along with uptime across numerous job site conditions. Whether it's an HDT, FGT, or a DCR style rotor, all three Fecon rotor systems are built for amazingly long-lasting durability.
HDT rotors, it's a paddle style rotor. It does well with one-pass processing. The FGT is a drum style rotor. That rotor demands less horsepower. It cuts faster. The DCR is one of our newest rotors, and we're very excited. It's a depth cut rotor. It increases the production of the machine by only allowing you to take a small cut at a time, which means your horsepower stays up, the speed of the rotor stays up, and you cut faster. All three rotors have a place in the industry. It allows us to tailor this machine to what the customer is doing.
To operate the unit, drivers will enjoy the luxury of a truly one-of-a-kind cab design, featuring the ICANN system display to control and monitor operational requirements.
We get a lot of good feedback from customers telling us that it's just a fun machine to run. The cab environment, it's a great place to spend their working day. The visibility of the cab, I think, is second to none.
Ours is the only mulcher in its class of this size that you can actually see the whole head from the cab. For rear view, we have a large screen rear view camera so the operator can see behind him. He doesn't have to turn around. We don't have mirrors hanging out of the cab that get tore off in the woods. Back to the cab itself, the cab air conditioning is oversized for this side of the cab.
The ICANN system, which is the control system of the tractor, allows the operator to monitor all tractor systems. It allows him to adjust hydraulic flow to the front to adapt to different applications and different attachments, as well as an optional system which will allow him to adjust the hydraulic pressure.
When it comes to serviceability, the FTX is intelligently designed. Access doors are placed at every point where service is needed.
We wanted to make it easy to get to the regular maintenance points on the tractor, which would be your filter and fluid check locations. It also is easy to work on the machine and troubleshoot. The electrical system, sensors, components are easy to get to on the tractor to reach and troubleshoot or remove if necessary.
Steel and rubber track styles are available depending on the application. Steel shoe types can be specified as single or triple grousers. And strategic loader arm design allows for a versatile range of motion for tree and brush removal, along with other work. So, what can you do with the FTX128?
First and foremost, it was built and designed to be a forestry mulching tractor, something that could tackle vegetation, trees. It could do small and larger commercial land clearing.
If a customer is not mulching, the tractor doesn't set. He can put attachments on this tractor and go do other jobs. You can put many attachments that will go onto a skid steer on this machine, and many attachments that won't fit a skid steer because you have the power and the flow to handle those bigger attachments. What that means for the customer is this machine is his do-all machine.
And with our recent introduction of a rubber track model, the FTX128 is a land clearing and general purpose machine that will favorably impact your bottom line. Don't just take our word for it. We challenge you to take a test drive yourself and see what the Fecon FTX128 has to offer. Enhanced performance with the integration of our Fecon power management. Cab features that ensure fingertip control and comfort for the operator. A serviceable design that makes the 128 the easiest mulcher in the industry to maintain and service. All equipped with the versatility to conduct multiple tasks in the field. Getting your jobs done faster, more efficiently, confident of durable performance. Why don't you give your Fecon rep a call today and we'll set up a personal demo. The Fecon FTX128. One tough, versatile carrier.